How to make creative projects using bamboo materials. Materials needed. Bamboo poles, choose the right diameter and length for your project. Bamboo skewers, for smaller crafts. Bamboo sheets or strips, useful for flat projects. Adhesive, wood glue or strong craft glue. Finishing supplies, varnish or paint for protection and decoration. Tools required. Saw, for cutting bamboo to size. Drill, for making holes if needed. Sandpaper, to smooth rough edges. Measuring tape, for accurate measurements. Pencil, for marking cutting lines. Creative project ideas. 1. Bamboo planters. Cut short segments of bamboo to create cylindrical planters. Drill drainage holes at the bottom. Finish, sand the edges and apply varnish for protection. 2. Bamboo furniture. Design, create simple furniture like chairs or tables using larger bamboo poles. Assemble, use glue and screws to secure joints. Finish, sand and apply a protective coat. 3. Bamboo wall art. Cut bamboo into various lengths and arrange them in a pattern. Attach, glue the pieces onto a canvas or wooden board to create a unique wall hanging. Decorate, use paint or stain to enhance the look. 4. Bamboo utensils.